Welcome to class. Our topic today is area of plane shapes, and under this we'll be looking at area of rectangles and squares. Areas of rectangles and square. Now, in one of my videos we've talked about the perimeter of rectangles and squares, the perimeter of parallelogram, and the perimeter of circle. So today we'll be moving to area of plane shapes, and we'll be starting out with area of rectangles and square. Now let's go to area of rectangle. Area of rectangle equals length multiplied by breadth. That's area of rectangle. Then area of square equals, square has all the sides equal, so that will be length of sides square in two places, and that's L square. So for this one it is length times breadth. So let's look at some examples. Example 1. Calculate the area of a rectangle (6 centimeter by 3.5 centimeter). That's the question. The area of a rectangle 6 centimeter by 3.5 centimeter. We all know that the length is the longer side, then the breadth is the shorter side. So 6 centimeter is bigger than 3.5. So we know that our length is 6 centimeter, our breadth is 3.5 centimeter. So what's our area? Area equals length times breadth, which is 6 centimeter multiplied by 3.5 centimeter. Now it's so easy if you are not having a calculator. 3.5 is the same thing as 7 divided by 2. So you just say 6 centimeter multiplied by 7 over 2 centimeter. 2 here 1, 2 here 3. So that will be 3 centimeter times 7 centimeter. Now, you are having 2 centimeters, 2 of it. So centimeter times centimeter will give you centimeter square. 3 times 7 is 21. So centimeter square. If you notice, for perimeter, the unit is centimeter. But for area, the unit is centimeter squared. So that's that. We'll be moving to example 2. The area of a rectangle is 224 centimeter squared. Then if its length is 16 centimeter, calculate the breadth. That's the question. So let's look at the solution together. Solution. Area equals length times breadth. We have been given the area to be 224 centimeter squared. We've been given the length to be 16 centimeter. We are asked to calculate the breadth. So you use 16 to divide this. So that will be divide. Why are we dividing? Because it is multiplication that is here. Divide both sides by 16 centimeter. So you have 224 centimeter squared divided by 16 centimeter equals B. Okay, let me show you how we did this one. To 16 centimeter times B over 16 centimeter. So centimeter will cancel centimeter, one of it will go. So 16 in 24, it will give us 14. This will cancel this, so our B equals 14 centimeter. So we'll move to example on area of square. Example on area of square. Example on area of square. That's what we are moving to now. And we'll just do 1 or 2 examples under that, and we are through for that class. So example 2. The question says that Calculate the area of a square advertising board. Of length 5 meters. Now, they've given you the length, and we know that the area of squared equals, now you tell them you're given the length. Length equals 5 meters. Area equals length squared, which is 5 meters times 5 meters. And we'll be having 25 meters squared because it is meters times meter. Then the last example. The area of a square is, a square plot is 144 meters squared. Calculate the length of a side of the plot. Now that's the question. Now, they gave us area in the question to be 144 meters squared. And you know that area equals length squared. So, 144 meters squared equals length squared. But it's length we are looking for. So, you are going to take the square root of both sides. Take the square root of both sides. And that will be 144 meters squared. The square root equals square root L squared. This square will cancel this. What's the square root of 144? That's 12. Meters squared, when you take the square root, that will be meters. One of it equals L. So therefore, our L equals 12 meters. That's that. So let me just drop one classwork for you, one or two classwork for you to do, to try on your own. Your exercise. Calculate the area of the following plane shapes. A. Then B. Then let's use centimeter here. So it's nice having you in class. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.